In today's DelftStack tutorial, we will learn how to enable camera access in Safari on your iPhone. This is useful when you want to use websites that need your camera, such as video calls, scanning QR codes, or uploading photos directly from your browser. There are a couple of steps to make sure Safari can use your camera properly. Let's start with the main setting. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Then, tap on Camera. Here you will see a list of apps that have requested access to your camera. Look for Safari websites in the list. Make sure the toggle next to it is turned on. This allows Safari to use your camera. If you do not see Safari websites here, do not worry. It may appear only after a website has requested camera access. Now let's check Safari-specific settings. Go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to Safari. Tap on it. Inside Safari settings, scroll down until you find the camera option. Tap on it. Here you will see options like Ask, Deny, or Allow. If you want Safari to always request permission before using the camera, select Ask. If you want to block all access, select Deny. If you want websites to use your camera without asking each time, select Allow. Choose the option that fits your preference. Now, before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss more simple tutorials like this. Next, let's see how this works inside Safari. Open Safari and go to a website that requires camera access. When the site tries to use your camera, you will see a prompt asking for permission. Tap Allow to give access. If you tap Don't Allow, the website will not be able to use your camera. Keep in mind that not all websites support camera access on mobile browsers, so if something does not work, it may be due to the website itself. That's it. You have successfully enabled camera access in Safari on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.